Exploring the new world of AI and its uses in business, education, and everyday life. What is AI and how is it changing our lives? Artificial intelligence, AI, is a rapidly evolving technology that has the potential to revolutionize our lives in countless ways. It is being used in a variety of industries from healthcare to finance. It is becoming increasingly sophisticated with each passing day. AI can be used to automate mundane tasks, make data-driven decisions, and even create new products and services. As AI continues to develop, it will become an integral part of our lives. It will have a profound impact on how we live and work. In this video, we'll explore what AI is and how it's changing our lives every day. How companies are leveraging AI to improve efficiency and productivity. In today's digital world, artificial intelligence, AI, is being used by businesses to improve efficiency and productivity. Businesses are leveraging AI to automate mundane tasks, optimize processes, reduce costs, and gain a competitive edge. AI can be used in many areas of business such as customer service, marketing, sales, and operations. It can help companies automate processes such as data analysis, customer segmentation, and product recommendations. AI can also be used to identify trends in customer behavior and provide insights into new markets or opportunities. As businesses continue to embrace the power of AI, it will become an integral part of their operations. It helped them remain competitive in the market. How schools are using AI to enhance learning experiences. AI is rapidly changing the way education is delivered and experienced. Schools are using AI to enhance learning experiences by providing personalized instruction. It also automates administrative tasks and creating immersive learning environments. AI can also help teachers identify areas of improvement for their students and provide targeted feedback. With AI-driven solutions, schools are able to create a more engaging and effective learning environment for their students. How consumers are utilizing AI for convenience and entertainment. Artificial intelligence is making its way into our everyday lives in ways that we may not even be aware of. From voice-activated home assistants to AI-powered streaming services. AI technology is being used to make life easier and more entertaining. Consumers are now able to take advantage of the convenience and entertainment that AI provides. Whether it's through shopping online, playing video games, or streaming music and movies. AI has become an integral part of our daily lives, and it's only going to continue to grow as technology advances. The future of AI and its impact on society. Artificial intelligence, AI, is a rapidly evolving technology that has the potential to revolutionize our lives in many ways. It is already being used in various industries, from healthcare to finance and even education. But what does the future hold for AI? How will it affect our society? AI technology is clearly on the rise, as more and more businesses are opting to invest in it. This can empower companies to process data faster, due to greater accuracy, automate laborious and repetitive tasks, optimize decision-making practices, as well as provide superior customer service. As a result, the future of AI appears be very promising. AI can be of great help in solving some of the world's most daunting problems, such as global warming and poverty. It has the potential to make positive changes to the way we live and help humanity. At the same time, there are serious concerns about how AI will impact society. Will it create job losses or increase inequality? Will it bring us closer together or widen social divides? These are important questions that need to be answered before we can fully understand how AI will shape our future. The potential impact of artificial intelligence on our lives. AI is rapidly changing our lives and has the potential to transform the way we live, work, and interact with each other. AI is becoming increasingly sophisticated, allowing machines to learn from data and make decisions on their own. This could have a profound impact on our lives in many different ways. From making everyday tasks easier to creating entirely new industries. AI has the potential to revolutionize healthcare, transportation, education, communication, and more. It is essential that we understand the implications of this technology so that we can prepare for its effects on our society. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.